I am Dr. R. Mary Madeleine, Associate Professor of Physics, Jayaraj Annabhagyam College for Women, Periyakulam. Today I am going to explain about operational amplifier. The name operation itself, it can do all arithmetic operations like addition, multiplication, division, differentiation and integration. The IC 741 is the typical operational amplifier. It can amplify both AC signals and DC voltages. The operational amplifier is a 8-pin IC. The second terminal is known as the inverting input terminal. If any input is given at the inverting input terminal, the output is, there will be a phase difference in the output signal. At the 6th pin, we can measure the output signal. The third pin is the non-inverting input terminal. Whatever may be the input given at the non-inverting input terminal, without any phase difference, we can measure the output voltage at the 6th terminal. Operational amplifier is also known as the differential amplifier because it amplifies the difference between the two input signals. It amplifies the input voltages given at the inverting and non-inverting input terminal. Suppose if V1 is the voltage given to the second pin and V2 is the voltage given to the third pin, it will amplify the difference between V1 and V2, that is known as VID. VID is equal to V1 minus V2. The gain of the amplifier is infinitive, that is it goes up to 10 power 5. The gain of the amplifier is equal to output voltage divided by input voltage, that is the input voltage is nothing but the difference between two input signals, so that the operational amplifier is known as the differential amplifier. The input resistance of the amplifier is also very high. The output resistance is 0 and the bandwidth of the operational amplifier is very high. These are the characteristics of the ideal operational amplifier. The operational amplifier can be used in inverting mode or non-inverting amplifier. In differential amplifier, we are having three types: inverting amplifier, non-inverting amplifier and differential amplifier. If the input is given at the inverting input terminal, that amplifier is known as the inverting amplifier. If the input is given at the non-inverting input terminal, that amplifier is known as the non-inverting amplifier. If it amplifies the difference between two input signals, then it is known as the differential amplifier. Thank you to one and all present here.